Toyota today revealed custom versions of the Tundra half-ton pickup and Sequoia full-size SUV at the SEMA show. These Tundra and Sequoia models were built for overlanding, which is a mix between camping and off-roading. The SEMA builds include a Tundra that doubles as a film studio and a lifted Sequoia with a vintage jet ski mounted on the back. Love it or hate it, overlanding is arguably at the peak of its popularity right now. For anyone who's unfamiliar with the term, overlanding essentially combines camping and off-roading. Obviously, that combo requires a vehicle outfitted with equipment to accomplish both of those goals. With that in mind, Toyota today revealed several customized Tundra and Sequoia models at the Specialty Equipment Market Association show, now known as just SEMA. Orion Tundra by X Overland. Based on a 2022 Toyota Tundra Limited, this Orion truck was built by X Overland. Not only is it intended for traditional overlanding duties with its modified suspension and countless bolt-ons, but it also serves as a go-anywhere film studio. The Orion Tundra even put its capabilities to the test with an 8,000-mile trek through Nordic country where its water-fording skills were on display, as seen below. In addition to the off-road hardware, X Overland outfitted the truck with a rooftop camper, a heating system, a 13.2-gallon water tank, and more. SEMA Sequoia by X Overland. X Overland also built a custom version of the Toyota Sequoia Limited TRD Off-Road, which it dubbed SEMA. It features an upgraded suspension designed to support the added weight of the gear onboard and maximize the SUV's trailworthiness. Called Icon Vehicle Dynamics 3.0, and utilizing a compression damping electronic valve, it's said to be the system's first appearance on a Sequoia. Along with a worn winch and a steel rear bumper, it rolls on 18-inch wheels with General Grabber X3 tires. The SEMA Sequoia also has a rooftop tent with a hard shell as well as a dual-band transceiver radio. Adventurer Sequoia TRD Pro by Westcott Designs. Based on a 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro, this adventure SUV was built by Westcott Designs. Its simple custom white paint job is accented by tasteful Toyota heritage graphics, and it rolls on flashy 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels paired with chunky 37-inch Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain tires. The Adventurer suspension setup includes a 3.0-inch lift up front and a 1.8-inch lift in the back. Of course, it wouldn't be fit for overlanding if it didn't have add-ons such as a rooftop tent and a roof rack. The coolest thing about this Sequoia might be the vintage Kawasaki stand-up jet ski that sits on its hitch-mounted rack, Ultimate Overlanding Sequoia TRD Off-Road. This 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited TRD Off-Road was created by the publishers of 4WD Toyota Owner magazine, in collaboration with CBI Off-Road Fabrication. They wanted to build the most off-road capable Sequoia, so they outfitted the big SUV with a 3.0-inch suspension lift, 34.1-inch Toyo open country mud terrain tires, and a worn winch. When it comes time to camp, the Ultimate Overlanding Sequoia features a rooftop tent and a 45-liter onboard refrigerator.